come on, you silly moggy.
I'm so sorry.
Not as sorry as you're going to be!
Ah!
Harold, no!
What goes up must
Come down!
What the?
Enough games! Attention passengers, this is your train speaking. Our destination today is Little Dead Asshole, with stops at Screaming Manling, Limbspole Offington, and coming up next, Flamebridge!
I thought we used all the fire ponds on the chimney bit, but that was too close. Time to end this. Ow! Bugger me, I forgot!
Mate, again? It's even the same hand! Well, let's put you out of your misery.
You'll have to catch me first, mega twat.
That's Opthomas Prime to you, shitbox! And we can't have you running away. Let's get you back on track!
Oh, I'm not going anywhere, lad. After all, I'm stuck to you like tape.
What? Oh, you son of a...
Step on it, Alf! What's the matter, gun dummy? Never saw Empire? That's a wrap on you, Thomas the Wank Engine!
Not bad, Postie, but you forgot one thing.
What's that, you cybernetic psychopath?
I'm an incredibly massive and enormous robot, and that was just some sellotape, you cocked-nosed fuckbrain!
Oh. You've got a point there, lad.
Speaking of points... Special delivery, bitch! Now that's what I call a postal strike. Oh, you've got to be chuffing kidding me.
I forgot it could do that. Probably should have started out in this mode, to be honest. Oh, and speaking of forgetting things, this yours?
So, you've got a little mech too. This might just be fun after all.
What's this, lad? Are you approaching me? That's not a very good idea.
Ha! Trust Royal Mail not to deliver!
Better late than never.
Time to depart. This train will now terminate.
You're not the only one with friends, you steamy arsehole! Warriors of Greendale, assemble! With our power combined, we're going to deliver you straight to hell!
Not another delivery pun. God, I'm going to enjoy killing you.
Jess! You're alive! My goodness. Now I do feel like a wally. Sorry, lad. I do get carried away sometimes. Seems I owe you an apology.
That's all right, Pat. I think we all learned an important lesson about rail safety and...
To always go straight to Mega Mech mode, skipping punching a train with my bare fists. Ouch! Oh, 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 oh.
Whoops.